You know what is the scariest nightmare for a real estate agent? Not attracting enough buyers to open house location. If you want to prevent such situation, you need to get everything right. Property listings, check. Flyers, check. You even posted in on your Facebook page. Yard sign, check. Hold on, you didn't mention day and time of open house. Now either your customers are going to show up late or you'll need to book an alternate time for them. And no, inscribing day and time won't help. What if the time, day, or both get changed? Besides, you will then need to have several signs to cover more days and times. Too many problems. What if you get one simple solution? Presenting reusable open house day and time sign writer. The writer gets easily attached to your yard sign as a stick-on or peg-on and comes with different day and time slots for real estate agents to be reused again and again. So if you want to drive traffic to your open house locations, get our reusable open house day and time sign writer now. Place your order now, www.openhousewriter.com. For more details, call 1-800-564-5418 or drop an email to info@openhousewriter.com.